Never fails. Bill Goudy, Hoochaloo, checking in. Just enjoying the day, I'll tell you. Getting some work done. Slow moving. I think it's 65 degrees. Yeah, it's a lot better than it was yesterday. It was in the 20s. And today it's like sloppy, but it's getting better. There's a little bit of a breeze. I hope it's not bothering you. I'm going to make a Brussel sprout soup. Somebody sent me this recipe, and I tell you, I don't know who it was. I copied it down, and I can't even tell you how long ago it was I got it. So if you sent me this recipe, let me know, and I'll put your link down below on this video. I'm sorry. And I got another recipe on some fudge. You use all natural peanut butter, and you use Pillsbury sugar-free frosting. 1 cup of each, and put it in the microwave, melt it, and then put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. And I tell you, it is really a nice low-carb dessert. And all I got on that one was JW. JW sent that to me, and how long ago? I don't know, and I don't know who JW. I'm racking my brain trying to think about JW. I'm not really one much for desserts, but this is that fudge I was telling you about. It is Pillsbury sugar. It's Pillsbury sugar-free frosting and natural, no sugar added peanut butter. And then you put it in the microwave. It's just very simple, just two ingredients. You put it in the microwave and for 1 minute, each of them, and mix them together. Put them in a fudge, I put mine in a Pyrex dish, and put them in the refrigerator. Actually, I put it in the freezer for a couple hours and took it out. Oh, it doesn't have an aftertaste like a lot of the candy, a lot of the things have. It's actually, just very, very good. Anyway, JW, contact me. And if you got a YouTube channel or whatever, I'll put your link down there. And maybe you sent me the Brussels sprout soup recipe too. I don't know. We shall see. The recipe says you can use deer sausage or pork sausage, anything you want, any kind of meat you want. But 1 pound. I'm going to use pork sausage. I'm out of deer already. Brussels sprouts, carrots. In here I have celery, onion, mushroom, and garlic. And then I have chicken broth. And here I have salt, pepper, red pepper, basil, thyme. I'll put the list down below. Anyway, I went ahead and mixed these all up ahead of time. Put them all in the baggie. Per the recipe. All the spices. All we got to do now is let it cook. Oh man, that smells good. That's cooking hard. Looks real good. I'm going to back that fire down a little bit and just let it simmer. It's nice to be eating when the sun's still shining. Yeah, we gained an hour of daylight. We lost an hour of work time. Not really. I don't go by the clock. I go by the sun. So it really doesn't matter to me. But they shouldn't be messing with the time. That's way, way outdated. Oh, that is good. Let me tell you. I don't know who sent me this recipe, but I'm glad they did. That is good. It's hot. Oh, it's so flavorful. This is one of those things you could put on and just let it simmer all afternoon. I had it on for a couple hours. I mean, it was in 45 minutes. I mean, all right, I cooked the sausage, so really all you do is bring it to temperature. And of course, it's nice to soften the Brussels sprouts and the carrots and stuff, onion. You know what? I just realized I was supposed to serve this over a bed of riced cauliflower. I got the riced cauliflower. I just totally blew it off. It's good, just like it is. I'm telling you, riced cauliflower would be, yeah, an advantage. Just thought I'd tell you. Oh well, the way things go around here, that's for sure. Thanks for watching. Go Goudy out.